Well, good evening, traders. How are we doing? It is November the 11th, 11/11, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I caught this nice short NQ, actually. Small size, just a couple micros. Small winner. I'm wearing my Apex Trader Funding sweatshirt. They gave me this when I pulled out my $20,000 payout. They sent me this sweatshirt. Starts off with a pivot bounce, says the pivot boss. Let's take a look. What are we looking at? That looks like a VWAP Bounce in gold, doesn't it? $45.5. Maybe down by 43.8. Think we get a bounce here? It's already working. Only got filled one. Hey, it's like it was 40 something degrees here, Chuck. What do you think here, JP? We shorten? That was a VWAP bounce to the tick right there. To the tick. So this is very choppy. Gold going back up. So this level that's interesting, maybe we'll try and reverse on gold up here in the 53s, 54s. What do you think? We're still chopped around in that VWAP value area on NQ. Gold's moving. Kind of grindy, but it's moving. Yeah, I'm thinking IB high. There it goes. So I got orders up in the 53s. See how many I get filled. So I closed this long already. I should sell off before it even gets there. Be a tragedy. That'll happen, AJ. That will happen. We'll have a little support group for you guys. Want to talk about it? Shall we reflect on our powerlessness over our losses? Powerless over my losses, and my prop firm trading had become unmanageable. I know JP wants to short this right here. I think we got to be patient. I love to short gold during an epic bull run. I hear you. I'm just as crazy, JP. That's why we get along so well. I used to love to short parabolic small cap equities. You gotta be different. You gotta be a little different to want to do that. Built different. Absolutely. Like I said, there's two types of people in the world. Right? There's people that see this chart going like this, and people are going, I gotta buy this thing. And then there's people are going, man, this thing's coming back down. I gotta short this thing. Yep. You're one of those two. Gold is in full on bullish price discovery here. I'm interested in clearing out these highs. From this morning. So if you go back, we have it here where we set the initial balance high. And then again 4, and then back here at 11 o'clock last night. So this is a spot. The cat. Come on, AJ. I'm short too. JP, don't feel alone. I start with very small size. I have one micro short. Just one. Oh, no, now I have two. Giving myself plenty of room. Plenty of room, guys, to be wrong on this one. Beautiful VWAP bounce. That's right, Stan. Yes, this is a 1 minute chart, Jose. You could, oh, this is a 2 minute chart. Sorry. You can usually see what I'm trading and the time frame right down here. I'm up $8.52. I couldn't even buy a hamburger if I wanted to with that. That's hilarious. NQ's been in the same channel pretty much. Let's say 630 and 75. This distribution here. Zoom out. Boring. Diddling. Serious middle diddling right here. Nothing. There's no zero edge. It's actually negative edge. Not only is there not edge, but you're probably going to lose money. I don't think the 1 minute is too. No, I just think it shouldn't really matter that much, the time frame, because I first of all I watch multiple time frames. What I just have on the screen is not all I'm watching. If you haven't noticed, I do have a monitor or two to my left, and on those monitors are a bunch of higher time frames that I'm watching. Alice says, I know you will lose money. Speaking from experience. So the best part about the VWAP Wave System, guys, is that the price levels stay the same regardless of time frame. Every single level you see here is going to be on a different time frame. 5 minute, 15 minute, these levels all stay the same. It's a thing of beauty. Now you're not going to really be able to see the levels if you go to a 15 minute on this chart. It's going to be a little crazy. So what do you think? Return of value? And we don't get up here? We get a fade back down to 41. That'd be cool. '30s. Okay. I'm here for it, Hella. So did I see that right? Dale, you and JP got together in Austin or something like that? How did that happen? Who was visiting? I think JP, you're in that area. How did that all can't come to fruition? Oh, nice. That's really cool. How was the race? I love Austin. Cool city. Back in my marketing days, HomeAway was one of my big clients. So I used to travel to Austin. Their headquarters is in Austin. HomeAway. Holding that upper band. All right. I'm in the green. See if it keeps going. Yes. Go gold. Lead. So short. Oh, nice. Bunch of good Texans in the group. Well, we all know JP's not really a Texan. He's kind of a Texan now. Texan by choice. Not quite wearing cowboy hats and bolo ties. He got bought up again. Just the fact that you're waiting for IB high means it's not going to go to IB high. Just out of spite. Everybody's front running it. I'm going to be patient and wait for my entry, and it just won't go to it. Yep. 2 full point front run. It still pops up when I have it in my saved Outlook, and it just still pops up. Roadrunner, I don't know. It's also not in my scripts. Right? It's not in my invite only scripts. Right? See, it's not here. But I saved it in my template and it just still reappears. I don't know why, but it is. And I've seen other people have it too. I don't know why it's doing that. Nice, Jimmy. What's the profit target? It's like what, $20,000 or something? Let's expand this a little bit. I was thinking of getting a hamburger, Jake, but not at Five Guys because I wouldn't be able to afford one. So I was thinking maybe like McDonald's. I've had two good. I only caught this trade with one micro. I had a couple more that I tried to get filled. I didn't get filled. The beauty of Globex liquidity on gold. I don't like to chase, guy. I don't like market orders. I'm not a fan. Taking an order and being down 6 ticks just because I took the trade. So my profit target's at 42.8 actually on this trade. 42.8. I'll probably close one here because it's the VWAP. Let's go. Back down from where ye came, ye gold. Told you, Dale. You don't want to listen. Once we topped here by like, I don't know, 3 ticks, and then we started trading below upper band, that's when I went short. We're going back to Hades, Chris. Would you like to join us? Hop on your flame chariot. To Hades we go. Whoops. Nothing like being patient with Gold Globex. Cerebus. What is that, Jimmy? Are you leaking financial secrets? What is that? Oh, I see. $8,000 a drawdown. Not too shabby. You can make some really boneheaded decisions with that. I'm thinking back down to IB low. That's where I got my tool. I got my profit target at 42.8. Delta straight down. Even a blind squirrel, Jimmy, can get a nut once in a while. So we'll see if this is just like an anemic bounce here before it goes lower, or this is a buy the dip for the longs. I give it 50-50. I might even stop at a break even on this contract and reposition if it comes back up to upper band. This could be a back test IB mid. Yeah, intraday drawdown could be tough, especially if you have longer holding times. All right, I got stopped out. I'm not turning this one into a loser at this point. All right, what do we think is going to happen next? We go long? We going higher? I'm here for it. I'll put a stop underneath. And Q's catching a bid here. You know, Dow made all-time highs today. And I was heavily invested in the Dow, so I'm having an excellent day. I closed a bunch of stuff on that rally. It was nice. Can't tell if Chuck's being sarcastic. Is that sarcasm or I can't tell. Maybe I should become a gold trader. Maybe this whole NQ thing is cramping my style. Oh, I'm definitely not trading Globex gold. I'm talking about like actual regular trading hours gold. This is the extent of my Globex trading right here. You're witnessing it. And I'm actually not doing too bad tonight. No real size, but that's okay. I've been swinging around a lot of size lately, and a little bit to my detriment. So I told myself I'm going to slow down a little bit on the size. Mm-hmm. All right, back up to upper band there. We're going to break out. You a night owl, JP? Stefan, I was joking. Don't worry. Everybody calm down. I'm not leaving NQ. I would never do such a thing. But you know, sometimes I think about the grass on the other side of the fence. It's only human. She always gets you back. Listen, guys, I've been by far, NQ has been by far my most successful instrument. The numbers don't lie. The numbers is the numbers is. Yeah, probably, Stefan. We're market movers here, trading our simquiddity. Well, the problem, I'm asleep, Dale, during those hours. Sleep is important. All right, here we go, goal. We're going to break out. We're going IB high. Who's coming with me? I only have one question. Who's coming with me? I did. I can't get by this upper band. We're just going to go sideways now for the entire hour of this stream. As soon as I came online at 7, caught that VWAP bounce. It's literally, I turned on the stream and I took that long. Wrote it up, flipped short here, wrote it back down to the VWAP, flipped long. I've caught every one of these massive rotations since I've been on stream. By massive rotations, I'm being a little facetious. I'm actually trading on the 5-minute on my execution platform. I'm not trading on Tradeovate. This is just to see the price action, the price levels. Richie. I'm trading on a 5-minute chart on my execution, but I mostly trade on the DOM. I don't even trade on the chart. This is just so you guys can see what I'm doing. We thinking lower? Oh man, we just put in a lower high. Head and shoulders. Yeah, I just think about executing and it executes. It's pretty fantastic. You guys are using Stream Deck? Pff, that's so like 3 years ago. We're using Neuralink to execute now. The Telegraph. Send an order over to Solomon Brothers. I want one futures contract for gold. Send it over the Telegraph for me. You know what I want is one of those antique vintage tape machines from like the 1930s, 1920s. One of my buddies, he owns a garage door company, and he actually found one in a client's garage. It was just sitting there. And it said Dow Jones something on it. Well, what are we thinking? Lower? Even though we're holding VWAP? Got to crack VWAP first. No. Well, if JP's going long, this thing must look bullish as hell. Here we go. We're going long, baby. I'm in. So we've held, whoops, VWAP 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't mean you can't break it. Absolutely could break it now. But the higher probability is that we're probably going to keep trading in this trading range for now. I don't know. CVD is starting to turn. Reclaim this IB mid. Japan opens. They buy all the gold, and we go to 4,500. I hear Tokyo is planning tonight, November 11th, to buy as much gold as possible in futures contracts. The Imperial Wizard of Japan said they don't have enough gold. Well, this spot is quite diddly. This is like the point of control going back to last night. So we were to take the entire volume profile, go all the way back to yeah, 3 o'clock yesterday even. Let's get rid of this one. There it is. Point of control is right there. 50. 50. I think we're going back to 50. Get that heresy. Heresy. We don't mention that name here. I'm just kidding. Q's going up. Of course it is. Of course NQ is going up. So I'm long gold. All right, I'm out of that one. Down it goes. Broke the VWAP. So what do we think? Maybe down to 42. Long. All right, I'll pick up some more down here, anticipating this low 40s will hold. And that will probably be my last trade for the night. We got Tokyo opening. All right, that's where real growth comes, JP. Growth comes in the conflict. You have a real rewarding relationship when you overcome the adversity. Thank you. Ready to take out the highs. There it goes. Nice. Shows long NQ. I'm long freaking gold. Psh. All right, here we go. This is the spot. All right, let's go. This is where I'm in. This is where I want to be involved. It melts right through it. Psh. Go respect my level gold. Yep. I took out long there too. Looking like it wants to bounce, but no real conviction. How much do you think it falls from there? Looks like it kind of held. Could you get any more of a bottom tick entry than that? I don't think you could. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty right there. All right, guys, a couple more minutes. It's not really bouncing, is it? This price action is just so slow. Took me out. Took out my bottom tick. Sure is looking short now, isn't it? Okay. We get a continuation to the downside now that we pierced the weekly upper band. Yes. Well, I flipped short, so that was nice. Okay. Let's see what happens here. And Q looks like it's fading from here. All right, 5 seconds. All right, Jimmy, thanks for joining us, brother. There it goes. I guess Japan is not buying all the gold. And that was just not true. Look at gold go straight down, huh? All right, guys. That's it for me. Kurt, you're right. Genius. I didn't think of that. Yesterday was the day. Damn it. Yeah, that worked out well. Switching short. It takes me a little while because, I don't know, it's bullish conditions. We're holding VWAP, right? I'm thinking long. We crack it. And I'm thinking lower band and weekly. We crack that, then I'm willing to flip short. Right? I was short up here for the return to value. Caught that to VWAP. Long, upper band. Long again here. Stopped out, long, small bounce, short. So, generally good read overall. Just not really able to capitalize on it very well, but it's all right. Look at that sell off. Up, Japan's here to buy the gold, guys. Get ready. All right. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. For our premium members, for you guys on the YouTubes, it will be 10 a.m. on the delayed stream. If you want to catch the open with us, join the premium. If you're going to keep trading this evening, manage your risk, stay sharp. For those of you in the premium Discord, head on over to the gold trading channel. Bob's already over there. JP's in there. Go join them. Trade the gold. Be sure to manage your risk. Stay sharp. Have a wonderful night, guys, and I'll